Every country has its own currency. Some need thousands just to equal 1 euro, while others are far stronger. In this video, we compare 65 currencies against the euro and reveal their exchange rates for 2026. Vietnamese dong is Vietnam's currency, with 1 euro worth roughly 30,331 dong. Indonesian rupiah is Indonesia's currency, and 1 euro converts to nearly 19,211 rupiahs. In Uzbekistan, the official currency is the Uzbekistani som, and 1 euro equals around 13,810 soms. Syria's recognized currency is the Syrian pound, with 1 euro trading for close to 12,719 Syrian pounds. The currency used in Cambodia is the Cambodian Riyal, where 1 euro amounts to approximately 4,630 Riyals. Colombia's monetary unit is the Colombian peso, and 1 euro is equivalent to about 4,362 pesos. The Mongolian tugrik is Mongolia's official currency, with 1 euro valued around 4,122 tugriks. In Burundi, the Burundian franc is used, and the exchange rate places 1 euro at roughly 3,394 francs. Tanzania's official currency is the Tanzanian shilling, with 1 euro converting to nearly 2,834 shillings. Myanmar circulates the Myanmar kyat, and 1 euro is worth around 2,426 kyats. South Korea uses the South Korean won, where 1 euro changes hands for close to 1,687 won. The Nigerian naira serves as Nigeria's currency, and 1 euro is equal to about 1,655 naira. Argentina relies on the Argentine peso, with 1 euro valued at nearly 1,635 pesos. Iraq's official money is the Iraqi dinar, and 1 euro corresponds to around 1,514 dinars. Chile uses the Chilean peso, and the exchange rate places 1 euro at about 1,078 pesos. North Korea's currency is the North Korean won, where 1 euro equals roughly 1,040 won. The Sudanese pound is Sudan's legal currency, with 1 euro trading for around 691 pounds. In Somalia, the Somali shilling is used, and 1 euro comes to nearly 659 shillings. Kazakhstan operates with the Kazakhstani tenge, and 1 euro is worth about 605 tenge. Hungary's monetary unit is the Hungarian forint, and 1 euro exchanges for approximately 382 forints. The Sri Lankan rupee is Sri Lanka's currency, with 1 euro valued at roughly 351 rupees. In Pakistan, the Pakistani Rupee is used, and the rate makes 1 euro equal to about 324 rupees. Yemen's official currency is the Yemeni Riyal, where 1 euro corresponds to nearly 275 Riyals. Jamaica uses the Jamaican dollar, and 1 euro is equivalent to roughly $186. The Japanese yen is Japan's currency, with 1 euro valued at around 177 yen. In Ethiopia, the Ethiopian birr is the national currency, and 1 euro equals close to 177 birr. Nepal's money is the Nepalese rupee. 1 euro converts to about 163 rupees. The Algerian dinar circulates in Algeria. 1 euro is nearly 150 dinars. Kenya uses the Kenyan shilling. 1 euro trades for roughly 149 shillings. In Bangladesh, the Bangladeshi taka is used. 1 euro is approximately 141 takas. The Icelandic krona is Iceland's currency. 1 euro valued around 145 kroner. India uses the Indian rupee. 1 euro is about 102 rupees. Kyrgyzstan's currency is the Kyrgyzstani som. 1 euro comes to nearly 100 soms. The Albanian lek is Albania's official currency. 1 euro corresponds to around 96 lek. Russia circulates the Russian ruble. 1 euro converts to roughly 94 rubles. In Afghanistan, the Afghan Afghani is used. 1 euro has a value of almost 76 Afghanis. The Philippine peso is the official currency of the Philippines. 1 euro worth around 68 pesos. Egypt uses the Egyptian pound. 1 euro exchanges for nearly 54 pounds. The Ukrainian hryvnia is Ukraine's money. 1 euro equals about 48 hryvnias. Norway's official currency is the Norwegian krone. 1 euro converts to roughly 11 kroner. In Morocco, the Moroccan dirham is used. 1 euro stands at about 10 dirham. Hong Kong's monetary unit is the Hong Kong dollar. 1 euro equals nearly $9. Chinese yuan is the currency of China. 1 euro valued at around 8.2 yuan. Denmark uses the Danish krone. 1 euro converts to approximately 7.4 kroner. In Brazil, the Brazilian real is used. 1 euro worth about 6.1 reais. The Malaysian ringgit is Malaysia's currency. 1 euro trades for nearly 4.8 ringgits. Saudi Arabia uses the Saudi Riyal. 1 euro corresponds to around 4.3 Riyals. The UAE Dirham is the recognized currency of the United Arab Emirates. 1 euro equal to about 4.2 dirhams. Poland uses the Polish zloty. 1 euro has a value of nearly 4.2 zloty. The Qatari Riyal is Qatar's currency. 1 euro converts to about 4.2 Riyals. Georgia circulates the Georgian lari. 1 euro equals roughly 3.1 laris. New Zealand uses the New Zealand dollar. 1 euro trades for around $2.0. Azerbaijan's official money is the Azerbaijani manat. 1 euro equals nearly 2 manats. Australia uses the Australian dollar. 1 euro valued at about $1.8. Canada's currency is the Canadian dollar. 1 euro worth close to $1.6. Singapore relies on the Singapore dollar. 1 euro converts to nearly $1.5. The United States dollar is the currency of the USA. 1 euro equals approximately $1.1. Switzerland uses the Swiss franc. 1 euro valued at about 0.9 francs. The British pound is the United Kingdom's currency. 1 euro equals roughly 0.9 pounds. Jordan's national currency is the Jordanian dinar. 1 euro equals about 0.8 dinars. Oman circulates the Omani Riyal. 1 euro holds a value of close to 0.4 Riyals. The Bahraini dinar is Bahrain's official currency. 1 euro worth around 0.4 dinars. Kuwaiti Dinar is the national currency of Kuwait. 1 euro exchanges for approximately 0.4 Kuwaiti dinars.